Hello everybody and welcome to Neat Mentor. As you know already, yesterday PMO had given the decision on the reservation policy for OBC and EWS category candidates in All India quota, which was pending from long time, and it's going to be implemented from the current session, current academic year 2021. So in this video, as per the comments came from many general category candidates, they seem not to be happy with the decision, and in their viewpoint, it's really a common thing to get disappointed. Okay, so we will particularly discuss how much seats are left out for general category candidates. Okay, after this new reservation policy will get implemented, and what impact it's going to be creating on the cutoff for general category candidates in All India quota. So if you are new to the channel and this is for you, please like the video, and there is no point in showing any kind of misery in liking it. First of all, please like, and if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, you can hit the like button, you can share it with your friends, because we put really good effort to create a videos and do our analysis, collect the informations from multiple places, and then create a video, so that without putting extra effort, you get all the information, all the analysis in a single video, which is of like 5 to 10 minutes. And in the description you can find Telegram group link, ebooks for deemed universities, open universities, DNB counseling, and we do also provide paid counseling. Right now you can avail up to 20% of discount, and the counseling will cover the counseling process guidance for INICET, DNB, MD, MS, admission in government, private and deemed universities, NB diploma, CPS and MCPS. Okay, so let's jump to the main topic. So this is a notification that came from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is a landmark decision taken by Government of India. Okay, and 27% reservation for OBC and 10% reservation for EWS category candidates. Okay, in All India quota. Earlier it was applicable only for central universities and AIMS. Okay, so it's not a very new thing, new to All India quota, but you already have experience who had attended the counseling process earlier. And so let's talk in detail. So it will get implemented from the current academic year, and for MBBS courses, MD, MS courses, diploma, BDS and MDS. See, you remember MDS counseling was pending from long time. The result got announced in last year December only, but from like around 7 to 8 months is pending. It was pending due to the issue was created for demand by OBC category candidates to give a reservation in All India quota. So that was the reason for delay, and now there is no point in making further delay in MDS counseling. So that's a separate topic. Okay, so that's reservation is given. Now let's talk upon how it's going to create an impact. You must be knowing one rule, one thumb rule, that the Supreme Court of India had given a judgment in 1992 that reservation could not exceed 50%. Anything above which it judged would violate equal access as guaranteed by the Constitution. Reservation in any case will not exceed 50%, but there are exceptions. You can see one case in Tamil Nadu where the reservation is more than 60% or like around 69%, but that's for population of 87%. So that's a special case, but normally it won't violate this rule. Okay, and now let's calculate. If you look at, if your viewpoint is this, okay, which is not the right viewpoint. Already we had a reservation for SC 15%, for ST 7.5%, now for OBC 27% and EWS 10%. Okay, so totally if you calculate, is coming around 59 5%, and you add all PWD category, physically handicapped categories as well, then it will be crossing beyond 60. Okay, so now it's violating, in your view, is violating the rule created by Supreme Court of India, that in 1992 more than 50% reservation is not possible. So it's not the actual figure. So what is the actual figure? You take 100% seats in a state government, and 50% seats is kept with the state government for their own counseling process, and remaining 50%, so in that state level counseling process, those 50%, there is no change in that due to this new reservation policy. Okay, remaining 50% goes to all India quota seats, and now there is change in those remaining 50% that goes to all India quota seat, where MCC conducts the counseling process. Minimum 50% seat will be reserved, 50% seat will be available for general category in any situation. It can't be less than 50% as per the rule. Okay, and remaining 50%, maximum remaining 50% can be reserved for SC, ST, OBC, EWS category. So how it will get possible? So let's see the final analysis. Ultimately 50% seats must be available for general category candidates, so we assured about that. And how government is going to do is their headache. When EWS, you see the EWS implementation, first it got implemented in India few years back, then it was implemented at state level, and they added additional 10% seats to provide reservation for EWS students. In the existing seats, they hadn't taken the reservation, but they had added additional seat, 10% seats. So there was no impact on the cutoff for other category candidates. So it was additional. So the similar things government is going to do in order to fulfill the rule of minimum maximum 50% reservation. So they will definitely come up with adding 10% of EWS seat, and they may increase more seats. As I have explained in previous videos, that government is in very dire need of increasing the seats to reform its medical infrastructure and make it more robust, so that it can fight any situation occurs in future, like COVID we have seen in recent past, and is ongoing. Third point, those 10% seats, if they get added under EWS category, so those 10% seats will be allocated to EWS category candidates, and earlier those 10% EWS category candidates were falling under general category. So now they are like giving you benefit, you understand, because those 10% students were general category candidates, and now they are leaving their places, so they are giving benefit to general category candidates because they got extra seat and they are not competing with you. Okay, so general category candidates ultimately will have a little bit of impact, but not very big impact, or there won't be any impact at all, because government is an institution where they need to take care of the impact of all the castes and general category candidates, EWS, OBC, ST, SC. They can't be biased because they need to run the institution. Okay, so ultimately, if you ask my suggestion or my opinion, there won't be much of impact. And if you compare the cutoff for general category from last year, it will be either same, because whenever the number of seat increases, you see positive shift. Okay, or there will be a little bit of change. You can't see big impact getting created. So don't get disappointed by this decision. You will be having at least 50% seats. Okay, so I think I tried to make some clarification in your getting demotivated, that 37% of reservation came, then what we are going to do and what will happen. It's nothing like that. it's last. You are thinking because you have got partial news, you didn't get complete news. It's just a notification, and you have to wait what governments further decides how they gonna take care of it. So thanks for watching, and have a great day, and all the best for your preparation. Do best in your preparation, and assess your preparation based on GTs and other tests, so that you can get best out of the counseling process. Okay, thank you.